In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the appearance of your apps on your iPhone running iOS 26 or future iOS versions. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to get started, go ahead and press and hold on any app on your home screen. What it's going to do is pull up a menu that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is tap edit your home screen and all of your apps are going to start jiggling just like this. From here, go ahead and select edit and then hit customize up at the very top. And you're going to see a few different options here. Well, you could switch between dark mode, clear or transparent mode, or tinted mode, which is going to give you a bunch of different tint color options and intensity sliders, which all look pretty cool. You can adjust the tint strength, change the icon size, and switch between light or dark appearance to see how each style actually does end up looking. I actually really like how this looks right here. But once you find the style that you look, just tap anywhere outside of that menu and it's going to apply those changes and your home screen icons are going to instantly update. If you ever want to go back to default, just repeat those same steps. Hold down on any of those apps, hit edit home screen, edit up at the top, customize, and then just go back to this little default section just like so. But that is how you can change appearance here on iOS 26 as well as future iOS versions. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.